Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using a Wish for It All, and this is the birthday card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using the Wish for It All bundle, and we're going to be using Hoping Your Day Gives You the Best Kind of Memories, and Wish for It All, and the Crown. I'm going to go ahead and bring in my Big Shot. And I have our pink glimmer paper. And these are the coordinating candles. And on the back I have the adhesive sheets that we used to sell. I had bought quite a bit of them, so I had some extra. But you can use your fine tip glue pen if you'd like. So I'm just going to run those through. And I have my precision base plate down, so it's kind of intricate, so I want to make sure that it gets all the way through. All right, and then I have a piece of our champagne foil paper, and then the little banner here. And I'm going to take a piece of wax paper because I am cutting on foil. It will make the imprint of whatever's on your plates. It will make that show up. So one more time with Big Shot. I have another piece of silver, or not silver, but champagne rather. And I have the eyelet embossing folder. And our foil piece is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So I'm just going to run this through quickly. All right. And then look at that. Isn't that gorgeous on that foil paper? We'll put this aside. I'm going to bring in my piece of regular paper. We're going to do some embossing really quick. All right, so I'm going to get my embossing buddy, and we have our banner. And I'm just going to run that across. And I have my Versamark ink pad. And then I have the Wish for It All, and this is mounted on clear block D. You might see my head in the shot on this one because I want to make sure that I get it good and centered. That looks good. And I'm going to come in with my white embossing powder. I had did it with the Rococo Rose, and it came out pretty. It kind of looked like it was etched on, but I wanted to make sure that it really stood out. All right, I'm going to get my heat tool. Let it warm up for a minute. All right, that looks good. Now we can start putting this card together. I have a piece of Whisper White Thick, and it measures 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. I'm going to get my embossed piece. I'm going to put that down with some snail adhesive. All right, so just like that. Then I'm going to take my candles, and I have my take your pick tool. Let me go ahead and get that. I use this a lot. There's just a few pieces. All right, one more piece at the top. I'm going to put that aside. All right, one more piece. There we go. I'm going to get these bits out of the way. Okay, so I'm going to pull the backs off. All right, so just like that. And then I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And I'm just going to pop that up right over the candles. So just like that. Now we're going to do our stamping. And I have my Rococo Rose. And I have the crown. And this is mounted on block C, I believe. Yeah. I'm going to make sure this is good and inked up. And I just want it here in the corner, just like that. And then I'm going to take our sentiment, which is also mounted on block C. Just like that. And then for our final touches, let's see. I have these petal pink. I think I'm going to use these. Let's use these biggest ones right here in the center. Well, this one doesn't look very much in the center, so let's pick that up really quick. All right. All right, so there you have it, a quick and easy birthday card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!